welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a very fun vlog. This is going to be my first ever solo travel vlog. So I've never really had an aspiration to ever do like a solo trip. This is just something that came my way, and I was very excited at first, but I feel like as it's getting closer, I am getting a little bit nervous, not gonna lie. So this is a work trip. I am going to Switzerland with Pantene. It's actually going to be such a big event. They're celebrating 80 years of Pantene, and I am one of the few people who are going from India to represent India. So goes without saying, I am very honored and also very excited. I hope you've seen my previous vlog. That was kind of like a prep leading up to this very day. So I'm going for a total of 3 nights, 4 days. Jisme se the event is going to be for 2 days, and I have extended my trip for like 1 full day because I was like, I'm just doing a solo trip for the first time, so I don't want to jump into it. I just want to put in my toes and like see how I feel about it. So I'm gonna be doing 1 day of solo travel within the city of Zurich, and then for the event we go to Lucerne. So yeah, let's get this vlog started.
God bless you with lots of peace, happiness, and success.
Bye.
Bye. See you after 25 days, I think.
Yeah,
25 days.
जर्नी
थैंक यू, बढ़िया, ध्यान रखो.
हाँ हाँ
Guys, I made it to my hotel. Let me give you a quick room tour. And this is the room. I would say it's quite perfect for one person. And that's the bathroom. Very cute and well lit. I had such a good flight. I think I slept for the most part, so I feel very well rested, and the fact that I did fly business class obviously really helped. I think a lot of you guys will have this question, who pays for all of this like travel situation? So I would say for the most part, in my personal experience, the brand is the one that pays for the flights, and they do also pay for business class. I have been flown business class before as well. I think it's very similar if you had a job and if you had a work trip. The company would pay for all the travel and all of that. It's basically the same thing. As I speak, it's not even 8 o'clock in the morning. I got so lucky and I got an early check-in. हमने request डाली थी पहले से, of course that helped. But as I mentioned, I'm feeling very well rested, so I don't want to sleep. I think I'm just gonna take a shower, get ready for the day, and head out. It's unfortunately a gloomy, wet day, which I don't mind in Mumbai, but I don't have an umbrella, so we're gonna have to figure that situation out. It's my first meal in Europe, and you best believe I'm eating some pasta or bread. It just had to be the first thing that I ate. Definitely need to pick up some olive oil. I need to do that today. काफ़ी ज़्यादा महंगा था मेरा first meal actually in Europe. Almost 5,000 rupees for one person. I expected that. But मेरा honestly आज कुछ भी plan नहीं है. Other than I have a list of things that I want to eat. Like I really want to have fondue, obviously, because I'm in Switzerland. And I also want to have hot chocolate, even though I'm not someone who's a fan of hot chocolate. But since I'm here, obviously I'm gonna have it. not even someone who likes hot chocolate. Does it not look like I have a green screen behind me? Like, how is it so beautiful? And also, it just feels so safe here. Nobody really cares what you're doing. Everyone's just living their slow life. And it's only 4. Like, time just goes so slow here, which I mean, I love obviously because I only have today, so I really want to make the most out of it. Made it back to the hotel for a quick outfit change. This is my night look. Guess what? We're going out on a date. I'm taking myself out for a fondue date. I'm really confused. It's 7:30 and the sun has not even set. So I am done with my dinner. It's 8:30 and the sun hasn't set. I had like come out with the intention ki dark ho gaya hoga, like it'll be super dark, but it's like super bright still. I think I'm done for the day, just walking back to the hotel. And it's right here. The convenience of this hotel is just something else. Good morning, it is 8 a.m. I am just getting ready to check out because from Zurich we're going to Lucerne and that is where the event begins. My solo trip has come to an end. I mean, I'm still going to be alone only, but there are a few people who are coming from India whom I know. Yesterday it was obviously just me all by myself and it was honestly so nice. I thought that I would be a little bit scared या फिर worried while I was out and about, but not once did I feel scared. Not once did I get confused of how to go about things. I didn't have a plan, number one. I decided that I am just gonna walk. Just keep walking. जो गली मुझे दिखेगी, अगर मुझे intuition आएगा that I want to enter that गली, I will keep walking. And that is exactly what I did. I switched on Google Maps only once when I had to go back to the hotel. And I think I got done with about 9,000 steps yesterday, which is good. I would 100% recommend Zurich, Switzerland as a solo trip place location because of how safe it is. It's also so calm and so slow. I just absolutely loved it. Of course, it is very expensive. Zurich is one of the most expensive one of the most expensive cities in the world, but it just is so good. In fact, even the hotel that I am staying in right now, the location of it, as I mentioned yesterday, it's so good, but again, it is expensive. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I would have ever done this solo trip if it wasn't for work. वो तो मैंने extend कर लिया, but मैं खुद से कभी भी plan बना के I don't think मैं आती है करने. But I'm just so happy that it happened. So I knew I could do this, okay? I know that I'm responsible. I know that I'm smart enough to go around. But to actually do it, it gives you a lot of confidence. So it was nice to do this, even though it was just for a day, but it felt really nice. Makeup ज़्यादा लगाओ या नहीं लगाओ, blush ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. But I think I'm ready. I'm gonna go pack up and check out. So we've made it. I have checked into the Bergenstock Resort, which, by the way, is like a museum. Like every corner of this resort is just unbelievable. It's so beautiful. And the way to come here, like the route, is also just absolutely breathtaking. Like, I might have shed a tear or two because of just how beautiful it was. Like, it was feeling as if I was living in like a fairy tale. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, Switzerland is so beautiful. This is, by the way, my third time here, and every time I come here I just cannot believe how beautiful it is. Anyway, I've let everything sink in and I've made the most of my time. Since I am really well rested, मुझे सोने की कोई जरूरत नहीं थी. I did set up my entire room. You best believe I have removed everything from my suitcase and set it up. I feel like it's setting up myself for success so that I'm not like rummaging through my suitcase. But I am gonna go actually start getting ready. अभी से ही कितने बजे हैं अभी? Yeah, so it's 2 o'clock right now. Our first event is today, which is happening at 7:30, and I just want to be ready. Like, I want to be ready पहले से. मुझे एकदम आराम से ready होना है. मुझे obviously shoot भी करना है सब कुछ. So I think I'm gonna start now. Guys, update. So I literally went and took a shower. I washed my hair. It's still wet. And my makeup is still the same. Like, I did not wash my face. Of course, water did run down my face, but my makeup still looks the same. Look at it. I literally just put on my lipstick, obviously. But उसके अलावा मेरा mascara गीला है. My lashes are wet and I just dabbed my face. My blush is also gone, but I think it will work. Basically, I just got a call saying that there has been an opening in the styling slot, like a professional stylist can style my hair. So obviously I'm going, but I wanted like fresh, clean hair. So I'm gonna go now. I'm all ready, finally. I just want to say that I am so proud of myself because not only did I get ready, I shot everything that needed to be shot, but I also have cleaned my room. I am ready 30 minutes in advance. All I want to say is that the old Mridul is back. If all of my vlog clips are shaky, it's because I am shaky. It's so cold.
Oh my god.
Two girls from Mumbai cannot deal with it. It's so cold. हम इवेंट छोड़ के सिर्फ फोटोज खींच रहे हैं. Just pictures. I think एक घंटे से
ज़्यादा.
Wait, so since
Sunlight.
yeah, it's like super bright. And since 2 hours, we're just taking pictures, but we love it. This is so sweet. They've kept little shawls for everyone. I know, हाथ ठंडे हो गए. You can do it.
This is the moment, guys.
How does it feel? Hello, good morning. I'm about to get ready, as you can tell, and with this view. So while I'm getting ready, I thought that I would do kind of like a get ready with me. No, sorry, like a Q&A. My bad. It's too early for me to function in the morning. So basically, I asked you guys on my broadcast channel to ask me any questions that you have, whether it's with regards to this trip or just brand trips in general. And I do have quite a few questions. So I'm going to be answering those. I think I should start off by talking about yesterday because I feel like I vlogged, but I don't know how good of a job I did because there was just so much happening and it was so cold. They did warn us, but none of us really cared. It was all about the outfits. There's barely anything left. So basically, yesterday was the gala dinner, as you guys already know, and it was kind of like an introductory event almost of sorts wherein people were just socializing and taking in the gorgeous views, obviously, but uske alawa there was no real agenda to the day. everyone was looking stunning in the golds and the whites and the blacks. And essentially, what happens at a lot of events is that people end up taking a bunch of different pictures, they end up taking a lot of content and socialization. Basically ये तीन चीजें ही होती है events में for the most part. Usually events में activities भी होती है for the creators to get involved in, to learn more about the product, but कल ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था, वो सब आज होने वाला है. So today is actually our main day, wherein the brand is going to be talking a lot about the history, their products, their formula, the science, the styling, all of it. It is a daytime event, so I'm keeping it natural. Let's start off with question number 1. Do brands sponsor the entire trip, or will they pay extra money? I had a few very similar questions on these lines. So yesterday I already told you about the whole flight situation, that the brand is the one that pays for the flights, and about the hotel also, the brand is the one that pays for the hotels, obviously, except me like extending my trip. जो मेरा yesterday मैंने extend किया था, so obviously that I paid for myself. But as soon as I reached the hotel today, everything is taken care of by them. All of our meals, our transportation to get to the hotel, our transportation to go back to the airport, then our flight back again. Now talking about being paid over and above all of this, it really does depend from brand to brand. In my personal experience, when it is a travel sort of a brand, mostly it's barter. Mostly, I have had experiences where I have been paid, but for the most part, it is barter. But it depends. Now, if you have like a long term contract with them, then most probably you are getting paid. If it's just a one off thing, it could be paid, it could be barter. It depends. How do you manage your diet while traveling? What a great question. You don't manage it. There's really not much that you can do because you're on such a like a go schedule. Even though I will say that this trip particularly has been very relaxed relatively as compared to the other trips that I have done in the past. But there's not much that you can do because there's not a lot that is in your control. So जो आपके control में है, that you can control. Like for example, मेरे last vlog में आपने देखा होगा that I've carried a bunch of protein bars, I've carried a bunch of healthy snacks. But then yesterday I did not have a proper meal and I got hungry and I tried to order room service. There was nothing healthy on the menu that was vegetarian. So then I had to order mac and cheese because I was hungry, like I needed to eat something. Does the brand pay for your manager, your plus one essentially? For the most part, again, in my experience, yes. I have actually always had a plus one. And also, I feel like the fact that Aditya is a creator, also, we have our own channel. I think that also helps. But this trip was different. This is a beauty event. So there was no plus one available for this one. But Aditya could have come. Like, we could have paid for it ourselves, but it just didn't make sense for him to come. He wasn't also very keen on coming because it was a hardcore beauty event, right? So again, iska bhi answer same hi hai mera ki it depends from brand to brand. But jab bhi plus one allowed hota hai, so they do pay for their flights and they also stay in the same hotel room as you, right? So it's anyway that cost they anyway have to pay, and then food is also paid by the brand because that plus one essentially is helping the creator create content, right? They're gonna help take pictures, videos, all of that. This trip, I feel like we have each other, like we have other creators who can help us. We have the brand team who's very, very helpful. So it's been quite easy, honestly. So it's not been an issue, to be honest. How do I get such opportunities? How do I get these kinds of brand deals? Now, the thing is that I actually have never been with any agency. I complete 9 years this year doing YouTube, and never have I been with any agency. My manager, my rep has been my husband, who was my boyfriend back then. So we started this together. And I think the answer to this question is just that Aditya is really good at his job. Like usually when you're with agencies, obviously they have a lot of contacts, they have PR, they basically have a chain of people, right? And when you're working independently, you have to do or everything yourself, and eventually you have to build relationships. And I think he's done such a fab job at building relationships with everyone, and I think he really is like an unsung hero. He works so hard behind the scenes, and of course, no one really knows about it, but the wheels are moving, everything's flowing smoothly because of him. And he really has worked hard on this project as well. We were in talks with the brand for quite a few months. Like, honestly, sare deals ko time lagta hai, and he's been fab with it. And I'm so grateful for him. Also, the fact that he's a lawyer really helps. Like, he understands how to read the contracts, the loopholes, everything. The negotiation, he's really good. Last question is that what are your thoughts about solo travel, and what is one thing that you learned about yourself in this process? Okay, so I would say that solo tripping I recommend to try, if possible, at least once in your life. I know it's a lot. It really is a lot, but it is an experience that I feel like everyone should have at least once. But going into it, make sure that you're smart about it. You're careful, you're prepared. Like, for example, even though I was in Zurich, which is supposed to be one of the safest cities in the world, I still always had a pepper spray on me. I was always very vigilant. I wasn't like drowning in my phone. I was aware, basically. You need to be smart. Unfortunately, that's the reality of today's world. It doesn't matter if you're a girl or a boy, you just need to be careful. And what did I learn about myself in this process? So, of course, one of the things that I already knew was that I love just being by myself. Like, I love solitude. So, I should do it more often. It was almost like a reminder that I love it, so I should do it more often. But other than that, what did I learn about myself is that I can rely on myself more than I give myself credit for. So I know that I'm a smart girl, like genuinely, I know I can figure things out. But when it comes to my sense of direction, when it comes to more technical things, I tend to just throw my hands in the air, and I'll tend to rely on other people. Like, say, for example, Aditya. Of course, I rely on him a lot. My parents, my dad, for them to like figure it out for me. But I realize that I can also do it if I try to. So I think in a way it like boosted my confidence and made me more aware that I am capable of doing more than I think I can. The last thing I think has to be that I realize that I am more spontaneous than I think I am. Obviously, at core, I am a planner. I'm very type A, but I really enjoyed not having a plan. And there's a beauty in unpredictability, in not knowing what's going to happen next. So everything doesn't need to be planned. Sometimes you can just let things flow. What I'm referring to is that when I was alone that entire day, day before yesterday, I did not have a plan. Like, I was just walking around, and it was the best thing that I could have done. Okay, with that, I am done. I hope that I answered all the questions. Hope your doubts have been cleared. Now, I'm gonna go have breakfast because I am starving. BRB. Wow.
Madam.
The Jugadu way. ओके सो इवेंट खत्म हो गया है. एज यू कैन टेल, बहुत अच्छे से कंप्लीट हुआ है इवेंट, एंड एवरीथिंग वॉज जस्ट सो नाइसली ऑर्गेनाइज. वी गॉट डन बिफोर टाइम, like 2 hours before, and yeah, we're free. So instead of just sitting in bed and doing nothing, we as in Soumya and I have decided to go and explore the city, or at least the outskirts. I don't know. Honestly, we don't know where we're going. There's a boat that is free of cost, जो हमारी hotel provide करती है. So we're like, might as well, let's go. We'll just go around for an hour and we'll come back. Anyway, यहाँ पे sunset नहीं होता है 10 बजे तक. So, why not? This is so cute. So, मुझे ये कहना है कि your enthusiasm is infectious, because me, I would just want to be like in bed and like do nothing. But Soumya, kal se she's like, we should go out, we should look at the city. So
बट मेंटली सेम है मेरे साथ. मुझे भी सिर्फ बेड पे पड़े रहना था. बट हमें लगा 2 दिन के लिए यार कुछ तो कर लेते हैं.
agreed, it'll be fun.
Yes. So we made it. और हमें लगता है हम डिनर वॉच नहीं पाएंगे.
Most probably नहीं पहुंचेंगे हम. It looks really bright right now, but it's like 6:30 actually. और अब हम ट्रेन से we're going into this boat which will take us to Lucerne. How is this even real? इतना सुंदर कैसे? I'm shocked. I don't know how, but we've made it for our final event, which is the dinner. It's been a lot, but so fun and so worth it. I'm so glad that we went. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू एक्चुअली. मैं अकेली तो जा भी नहीं पाती.
बहुत मजा आया.
तो हाँ, मैंने पूरा खुद को मृदुल पे दे दिया था. मृदुल करेगी सब.
Fun vibes. Guys, it is 5 a.m. in the morning and it's time for me to leave. This trip has been exceptional for more than one reason. Obviously, the first one being in terms of work. This has been such a huge work opportunity for me and I couldn't be more grateful. I am so happy and so grateful to you guys as well, because obviously couldn't have been possible without your love and your support. I keep saying this every now and then, but it just is true. Other than that, it has been such a treat for my eyes, my heart, my soul to be here in Switzerland. I feel like I will say it. You have to come to this country at least once in your life. Add it to your bucket list in case it's not. And the fact that I could share this trip with Soumya has been a blessing. Like, I have met her a couple of times here and there, quite a few times Mumbai में events के लिए, but we never really spoke more than like 2 lines. 2 lines exchange की and that was it. But when I got to know that she's coming on this trip, I just felt this sense of comfort because she's from Mumbai, I'm from Mumbai, and the way that we've connected on this trip, it's been so nice. We've been there for each other throughout, no matter what, and it's just been so nice. I'm so happy that I got to meet her and got to know more of her. So that's it for my little solo Europe trip. It was amazing. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. But this is not the end of my travels for this summer. Summer, technically Mumbai mein summer nahi hai ye. But I am going to New York right after this. I'm catching a flight to JFK. Of course, we're going to be vlogging that as well. And see you soon. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, follow me on my Instagram because all of this content is going to go up on Instagram. So yeah, see you. Bye.